Hey, what's going on, guys? I've got a 2009 Ford Fusion and I'm going to use it to point out to you how to change the bulbs in the back. So your third brake light, your turn signal bulb, your backup light. So I've got the brakes held on with the stick there and I've got the left turn signal on. I just went ahead and popped the trunk and you can see my left turn signal is not coming on and my third brake light's not illuminating. So first I'll show you the third brake light. Real easy, you can just peer down here and you'll see connector there. Now you don't have to unplug this, you can just simply rotate it counterclockwise and pull it straight down. That's going to pull out the bulb. And I believe the part number for that bulb is going to be 921. So I've got a new bulb here and just kind of pop it in there like so. You can see it's illuminating now. And so just push it back up into the assembly and then turn it right to lock it. So that's the third brake light. Now all the bulbs over here, you've got your backup bulb, you've got your side marker bulb, and you've got your combination tail light, brake light, turn signal bulb. To get to it, there's a push pin right here. You gotta get out somehow. Sometimes you can just grab the whole assembly and pull it. You can see where it goes into that metal piece there. And go ahead and set that pin to the side. And if you just bend the plastic out of the way, it's going to reveal all of the different connectors there. And so you don't actually have to remove the assembly itself. You've just got to get to where you can look at the connectors like what we're doing here. And the closest one to us right now is going to be this one right here. That's your combination tail light, brake light, everything. So pop out the old bulb. It's a dual filament bulb. And I've got a new bulb right here. And it should just click in. And I can see it's now flashing and everything's good to go on that. Now as far as the other bulbs, this is going to be your backup bulb here. That's a 921 bulb as well. And there's one behind it, the side marker bulb. That's really the only kind of tricky one to get to. I'll see if I can get a close-up on it. It's gonna be this one right here behind it. It just kind of rotates like that and pops out. So that's your side marker there. So yeah, that just about covers it. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or more importantly, any advice about changing the bulbs on your Ford Fusion.